Hi, want to make restaurant-quality burgers at home? These 5 burger sauces will completely transform the taste of your burger. Let's dive in with Chef Savindu. Number 1. Classic Burger Sauce. Classic Burger Sauce is one of the most popular burger sauces in the world. It has a rich, creamy, slightly tangy, and mildly sweet flavor that perfectly complements almost any burger. This sauce is perfect for beef burgers, crispy chicken burgers, grilled chicken burgers, cheeseburgers, sandwiches, wraps, hot dogs, and even as a dipping sauce for French fries, onion rings, chicken nuggets, and crispy fried chicken. To make this delicious classic burger sauce, you'll need mayonnaise, ketchup, yellow mustard, sweet pickle relish, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. Simply add all the ingredients to a bowl and mix until smooth and creamy. For the best flavor, refrigerate the sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the flavors to blend together. Here is the recipe. Number 2. Spicy Mayo Sauce. Spicy mayo sauce is a creamy, smooth, and slightly spicy sauce that adds a bold kick to almost any meal. It's quick to make, packed with flavor, and perfect for anyone who loves a little heat. This versatile sauce pairs also perfectly with crispy chicken burgers, beef burgers, grilled chicken burgers, wraps, sandwiches, French fries, chicken tenders, onion rings, and even as a dipping sauce for fried chicken or nuggets. To make this delicious sauce, you'll need mayonnaise, sriracha sauce, fresh lemon juice, garlic powder, and paprika. Simply combine all the ingredients in a bowl and mix until smooth and creamy. For the best flavor, refrigerate the sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving. Look at this creamy thickness. Check this recipe if you love this sauce. Number 3. Smoky Barbecue Sauce. Smoky Barbecue Mayo Sauce is a rich, creamy, and smoky sauce. It's simple to prepare and gives homemade burgers a delicious restaurant-style taste. This versatile sauce also perfect for beef burgers, grilled chicken burgers, crispy chicken burgers, sandwiches, wraps, hot dogs, and loaded fries. It also works as a delicious dipping sauce for chicken wings, chicken tenders, and French fries. To make this sauce, you'll need barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, honey, smoked paprika, and black pepper. Add all the ingredients to a bowl and mix until smooth and well combined. For the best flavor, refrigerate the sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving. If you love the bold, smoky flavor of barbecue, this Smoky Barbecue Mayo Sauce is an easy homemade recipe that's definitely worth adding to your collection. Number 4. Honey Mustard Sauce. Honey mustard sauce is a smooth, creamy, and perfectly balanced sauce with a delicious combination of sweet and tangy flavors. It's quick to prepare and adds a rich, restaurant-style taste to a variety of dishes. This versatile sauce pairs perfectly with crispy chicken burgers, grilled chicken burgers, beef burgers, sandwiches, wraps, chicken tenders, chicken nuggets, French fries, onion rings, and even fresh salads. To make this delicious sauce, you'll need mayonnaise, yellow mustard, honey, fresh lemon juice, and black pepper. Simply add all the ingredients to a bowl and mix until smooth and creamy. For the best flavor, refrigerate the sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving. If you're looking for an easy homemade sauce with the perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess, this honey mustard sauce is definitely a recipe worth trying. Number 5. Dynamite Sauce. Dynamite Sauce is a rich, creamy, and flavor-packed sauce with the perfect balance of sweetness and heat. It's incredibly easy to make and adds a bold, restaurant-style taste to a wide variety of dishes. This versatile sauce is perfect for crispy chicken burgers, wraps, sandwiches, chicken tenders, chicken nuggets, shrimp, fried chicken, French fries, onion rings, and even as a dipping sauce for seafood. To make this delicious sauce, you'll need Kewpie mayonnaise, regular mayonnaise, sriracha sauce, honey, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. Simply combine all the ingredients in a bowl and mix until smooth and creamy. For the best flavor, refrigerate the sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving. If you enjoy creamy sauces with a sweet and spicy kick, this homemade Dynamite Sauce is definitely a recipe worth trying. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments which sauce is your favorite and which recipe you'd like to see next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Chef Savindu YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.